Agile Contracting, aligning flexibility with business needs. Agile Contracting is a flexible way to create agreements. It aligns with the principles of Agile project management. Agile contracts focus on outcomes, collaboration, and adapting to change. They are not tied to a fixed set of deliverables and timelines. The core principles of Agile Contracting. Collaboration over contractual negotiations. Agile contracts prioritize collaboration over rigid terms and conditions. Both parties will work together to achieve the desired outcomes. They know that the project's scope, deliverables, and timelines may change as new information arises. Flexibility and adaptability. In traditional contracts, scope creep is a big issue. Any changes to the project require renegotiation or costly amendments. Agile contracts allow for changes as the project progresses. Iterative development. Agile contracts often work in short iterations or sprints. They avoid committing to an all-encompassing contract upfront. These smaller milestones let teams show progress and gather feedback. They can then adjust their plans for the next cycle. This keeps the project aligned with business goals and customer needs. Benefits of Agile Contracting. Improved flexibility. A key benefit of Agile Contracting is its flexibility to adapt to changes. In traditional contracts, clients may be forced to follow a fixed path. This is true even if new insights or market shifts suggest a different approach. Faster time to market. Agile Contracting breaks the project into smaller chunks, sprints. This ensures the client sees value more quickly. Instead of waiting for a final product after a long build, businesses can deliver the project in parts, incrementally. Enhanced collaboration. Agile contracts promote a partnership and cooperation between the client and vendor. This teamwork-focused setting fosters innovation and creative problem-solving. It also promotes a shared ownership of the project's success. Conclusion. In conclusion, Agile Contracting is a powerful way to meet business needs. It allows for the flexibility to adapt to changing market conditions. By embracing Agile principles, organizations can create contracts